is a 2-point. PG right now is on the path. Back to Kerr. Kerr trying to pass to the inside man.
Who's coaching?
Right to 3-point. Oh, here's you. Pull up rubber, 2 points. Nice rebound by Jazz. Money. Run out for 3, Rapper. Voila. Pull up jumper. Now decided to pass. Looking for the other guy. Turnaround jumper by Jazz. Yeah. Okay. Timeout injury for the white team. Timeout. Injury timeout. Substitution. Foul. White team. Jazz. Pull up jumper. Misses. Kurt. Making a fast break. Nice fake and shake by Ball. And Lisky. Turnover. Hesitate. Turnover by the wide. Mr. Bandit. This is the 2 times. He tried shot. Find it again. Another try. Keep on trying. Jesus. Pull up jumper. Finally. Point right now. It's on the attack. Nice medium range shot. Misses. Get the Harlow for 3. Strong. That's right now. And taking a step. Come on. Finally. Nice breakaway jumper. Yeah. PG trying his 3 points, Roland, voila. Two points. Quick pass, 8-2. Only stepping on the line.
Sabi ng kalaban.
Gas. Taking the ball. Looking for the open guy. There we go. Inside pass. Nice. Inside two. The glass. Another two. You're just looking for an open guy. Another miss. That's just another. Oh, nice. Money for two. DJ Baitaro for a layup. Short. Lucky, still got this miss. 2 points. Hey, susunod ka lang. Wala pa rin. It's a 2 points. Ayaw. Ball two by the one. Floater. Nice rebound. Up time.